Wait, I have the camera on. Hi guys, it's Veronica here on Chickens! And today, we have something different. It's not what I usually do. We have some visitors. As you can see. This is Fozzie. Say hi, Fozzie. Video. So, this is what we're doing today. I'm giving you a tour of some of her new. Hold on. Some of her new. Those are our ducks. Our 4 new Pekin ducks. If the stupid camera can focus, you can see them. We got new batches of chicks, which as you can see are running around. That's our original duck. But yet, everything's going well here. We have a new update. It's a separate pen for these chicks. Along with food and water. And brand new. We updated everything. We have a mama hen that's raising some chicks. So I haven't been doing videos lately because, well, I haven't really had enough time. You good girl. Those are our Pekins. They're a kind of meat duck. We aren't using these for meat. We named them Aflac 1, 2, and 3. We can usually tell them apart. Those are, so you know about the 6 chicks we got? Sadly, lots of them we lost to a weasel. Very sad, and the only 3 survivors were 2 Barred Rocks and Peregrine. If you remember Peregrine from the naming contest, well, guess what? Thank you. I came up with the name Peregrine. We also got many new kinds. Too many kinds, just to be exact, of chickens now. Barred Rock, New Hampshire Reds, Americanas, California Whites, White Waters, Blue and Red Waters. Should I go on? Sex Links, hello Peregrine. A new Salmon Favorall, Adventurous. A bunch of them. These aren't even them all yet. We got a bunch of new add-ons. But what I'm showing you is something like you've never seen before. From me. We're going out in the woods. And I'm going to show you something. Something that I've never really shown someone. Except you guys. Almost every day, I walk out in the woods. Because I've been building something. Something that my parents don't even know about. I've been collecting materials from my dad's house.